Got home from work and I remember I have a bag of broccoli. I should start cooking and start eating because it's getting rotten. And I feel so bad. Look at this one. No longer can eat it. The most expensive food is the food that I didn't get to eat. But I still have this much. What I did is while I'm cutting my broccoli, I start to heat up the pot. Here's my pot. So I think it's warm enough. I'm going to put all the broccolis in the pot and without any oil or water, just dry fry it for a few minutes. I have been cooking the broccoli for about 6 minutes. As you can tell that the broccoli is a little brown, but it's not burned. So now it's time to put in my olive oil. I would say I put about 3 tablespoons of olive oil to about a pound of broccoli. So just stir it well. And after this, you can put salt and pepper, but for me, I'm going to put oyster sauce and cook it for another 5 more minutes. Then it will be done. Here's my oyster sauce. You can use your salt and pepper. It will be as yummy, I guarantee. And then cook this for another 5 minutes. And yummy broccoli will be ready. This broccoli is so delicious. I hope you will try this at home. And you can also substitute it with different vegetables like cabbage, cauliflower, or let's see, even bok choy. Yeah, try it out. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I hope you will try this out at home. And please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!